Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the COROS application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone and the app to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, we need to open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, we need to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here on the list of my devices, you should see the COROS Pace 3. And next to it, there should be this info icon. Tap on it. And here you should see the option called Share System Notifications, and this option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you are, you need to open the COROS application on your iPhone. Tap on Profile, and wait until the watch connects to your iPhone. And at some point during this process, you will see pop-ups about the permissions for the notifications. And if you don't see any pop-ups, scroll down and look for the settings. Tap on your watch right here. Then scroll down and tap on notifications and turn on the notifications, or turn them off and then turn them back on. And then at some point you should see the pop-ups about the notification permissions. And once you see them, allow all of the permissions and then go back to settings and check quickly if the option is there. So tap on the info icon next to watch and the option should be here now. Make sure it is enabled. Once it is, we can open the COROS application, tap on Profile, select our watch, tap on Notifications, enable the notifications. You can also turn on the notifications for the activity, and then save. Once it's done, I forgot to mention, you can also enable the notifications for specific apps. You can check the boxes right here. And as you can see, this list is a bit limited, but we have this option called Other. If this option is enabled, it will basically turn on the notifications on your iPhone for the applications that are not on this list. So basically everything else. Tap on Save. Okay, and now it should be working. So we're gonna send, or rather, I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and we're gonna test it. We got the notification on our iPhone. Let's check our watch. So open the screen, open the widgets, and here we have the notification widget. And here we have our notification. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.